Hello and welcome to this new video on how to clear browsing history on Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar, type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu. And when you have signed in and logged in successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And when you are in this interface, you just have to look in the top right hand side. There is orders and account button. Just click on orders and account. Now orders and account interface will be shown to you. You just have to look into the left hand side and scroll down a little bit until you see browsing and history. Now you just have to click on the browsing history. And when you click on browsing history button, your browsing history will be shown right in front of you. And in order to delete or clear the browsing history, there will be a sort and product, and in the top right hand side of the product there will be an 3-dot sign, and when you hover around it there will be an delete option. So you just have to click on the delete option and you will be able to clear and delete your browsing history. So this is how you can easily clear and delete browsing history on Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.